We miss you. We miss your smiling face, especially when you're driving out in your new BMW. In these days of COVID, everything has changed. From those who have become ill to those that have lost their job, we see you and appreciate you. We'd like to say a huge thank you to the healthcare workers, the essential employees that keep things running smoothly. We really appreciate it. As a small local business, we've been fortunate enough to have an essential piece of the dealership that has kept us operating. We have devised ways to best serve you and keep you safe. Our priorities always have been and always will be excellent customer service and employee satisfaction. Now, what that looks like has shifted to safely serving customers and setting new sanitation standards to ensure a clean and safe environment for all. BMW Northwest has adapted to these changing times and has taken this challenge in stride. We have devised many new procedures to guarantee minimal customer contact in both customer interactions and customer car care. As employees return to work as phases allow, each will undergo COVID-19 training that explains procedures for interacting and working with the public. Throughout the dealership, there are plastic shields in place, and all employees wear masks in addition to practicing social distancing to provide the best protection possible to all. Crucial touch points are cleaned frequently and thoroughly. During service, your vehicle will undergo a 3-step sanitation process that disinfects, cleans, and conditions. Everything we have put into place is with the safety of customers and employees in mind. BMW Northwest truly lives out family values, and part of that family is you. We can't wait to welcome you back with our socially distant arms wide open, and we hope to see you soon. Please be safe out there.